tell you a secret about yoga that I have discovered during the years when I was practicing and teaching it. I don't practice yoga in yoga studios anymore, but I am very much in favor of practicing yoga at home and connecting with yourself daily or as much as you can. Yoga is a time and space when you connect with the molecules around you. You connect with your body, you feel into your body, and all it is just movement and breath, the connection of movement and breath. So if you sit down for 5 minutes and just inhale while you move your body, exhale. If you just do this for a minute, that's already yoga. You don't need any special skills for that. What this does is distracts the mind from thinking. All day we think and think and think and try to figure things out. This gives the mind a chance to relax and focus on something continuous. So that's why breathing and moving, it's quite good to keep the mind busy. Some people can do it with walking, with swimming, or with running, whatever it is. It's good to give the mind a break, otherwise it's gonna figure out everything, or try to figure out the answer to all the problems in the news, and so on. Back to yoga. What I suggest, just a few tips for beginners. If you want to try and practice with a YouTube video, with mine or someone else's, don't eat before practice. So you could do it before breakfast or before dinner or any other time in the day when you are not after food. Next, for ladies, don't overdo it during period, which means don't go upside down during your period, and don't do pressing things on the belly. I wouldn't do yoga if I was a beginner and I was in the first trimester of pregnancy. And how you can find time and space for yoga. Maybe it doesn't work for you to do it every day in the same time. I find it quite boring and not fitting to my lifestyle. I just ask, okay, when would be a good time for a short practice today? Do I feel like it now? Yes. Do I feel like it in the morning, or when, or in the evening? And not every time. I don't have time for it every day. But a 10, 20 minute, 30 minute practice can happen regularly, easily. Another thing, many people say that they have kids and they cannot practice yoga because they have kids. Well, what if you could involve your kids in practicing as well? There are many videos on YouTube which actually are family yoga videos, so you involve your child. I can post some in here. I can add a link to some of them in this video. Kids love yoga. What happens when you start doing something new for yourself? Kids quite like that. They like if you are happy as a parent. They will copy you and start doing yoga with you as well. I have many friends who practice yoga with their kids, and it's quite fun to watch them. The little munchkins, they like to climb and copy you. Yes, so just have fun exploring what works for you. Let's forget about the concept of yoga being hard and you have to be flexible. It's not true. is not true at all. You don't have to be flexible, and you can even practice yoga if you have any illness or disease or bad neck. Yoga is already if you sit down and you watch your breath. You do something for yourself mindfully to feel good, right? So for me it is yoga. Yoga means actually the unity of you with everyone else and everything else. So you take time off from hurrying and doing things, and you just feel the connection of you with the world. And it teaches you not to be lonely. We are not lonely here on the planet, really. It's 7.4 billion of us. How can we be lonely? Isn't that funny? So I hope you enjoy your yoga practice. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel so you can get more clever tips and tricks. And have a nice yoga practice. I am also looking forward to hear from you. If you comment below, I will reply. Thank you.